Hey Gen Z, let's talk money. Specifically, let's talk about the crazy ride that is the stock market and the housing market right now. It's enough to make you want to bury your savings in the backyard and hope for the best. But don't worry, we're in this together. As a millennial who's been through a few economic roller coasters myself, I can tell you one thing. It's not always easy, but it's definitely possible to navigate these markets and come out ahead. The key is to stay informed, stay adaptable, and most importantly, stay optimistic. This isn't your parents' economy. We're dealing with rising inflation, sky-high housing prices, and a stock market that seems to change direction with the wind. But hey, we're Gen Z. We were born for this. We're tech-savvy, we're entrepreneurial, and we're not afraid to challenge the status quo. So, buckle up because we're about to dive into the wild world of finance, Gen Z style. We'll talk about the challenges, the opportunities, and everything in between. Let's do this. Let's be real, the housing market is bananas right now. Remember when our parents told us to buy a house because it's a good investment? Well, they probably weren't expecting prices to skyrocket like they have. In many cities, it feels like you need to win the lottery just to afford a down payment. But it's not just the price tag that's intimidating, it's the competition. We're up against everyone from wealthy investors to our fellow millennials who are also desperate to escape the rent race. It's enough to make you want to move into a van and call it a day. But don't despair just yet. While the housing market is undeniably tough, it's not impossible to crack. We'll talk about some creative solutions later on, like co-living, tiny homes, and even good old-fashioned negotiation tactics. If you thought the housing market was wild, wait till you see what's happening in the stock market. One day it's up, the next day it's down. It's like a roller coaster that never seems to end. For Gen Z who are just starting to dip their toes into the world of investing, this volatility can be especially nerve-wracking. It's hard to know when to buy, when to sell, and when to just hold on for dear life. But here's the thing, the stock market is a marathon, not a sprint. It's all about long-term growth, not short-term gains. So while it's understandable to feel overwhelmed by the ups and downs, it's important to remember that time is on our side.
I feel like I'm constantly playing catch-up. Between student loan debt, rent, and the rising cost of living, it feels impossible to get ahead.
Sarah's story is not unique. Across the country, Gen Z is feeling the weight of financial anxiety. Many are saddled with student loan debt, struggling to find affordable housing, and facing a job market that's still recovering from the pandemic.
It's not just about buying a house or investing in the stock market. It's about basic survival. It's about being able to afford rent, groceries, and maybe a concert ticket once in a while.
The financial struggles of Gen Z are real, and they're taking a toll on their mental health and well-being. But amidst the challenges, there's also a spirit of resilience and a determination to find creative solutions. Gen Z is breaking down the stigma around mental health and recognizing that financial stress can have a significant impact on their overall well-being.
Many are turning to therapy and counseling to develop coping mechanisms for financial anxiety. Therapy has helped me to reframe my relationship with money. It's not just about the numbers, it's about my values, my goals, and my overall sense of security.
But it's not just about seeking professional help. Gen Z is also embracing side hustles and alternative income streams to supplement their income and gain financial independence. From freelance gigs to online businesses, Gen Z is finding creative ways to monetize their skills and passions. So, you're ready to start investing but don't know where to begin. Don't worry, you're not alone. Investing can seem daunting, especially with all the jargon and complex financial instruments out there, but it doesn't have to be complicated. The most important thing is to start early and invest consistently, says financial advisor Laura Adams. Time is your greatest asset when it comes to investing, so even small contributions can add up over time. You can even diversify your portfolio, which means investing in a variety of assets like stocks, bonds, and real estate. This helps to mitigate risk and protect your investments from market fluctuations. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't get caught up in the hype or try to time the market. Instead, focus on building a solid foundation for your financial future through consistent investing and sound financial planning. Gen Z is known for its entrepreneurial spirit and its willingness to embrace unconventional solutions. This is especially evident in the way they are navigating the challenges of the housing and stock markets. Some are turning to alternative housing options like co-living spaces, tiny homes, and even van life to escape the high cost of traditional housing. Others are exploring the world of cryptocurrency and decentralized finance as a way to build wealth outside of traditional financial systems.
We're not afraid to think outside the box. The old ways of doing things aren't working for us, so we're creating our own solutions.
While some of these approaches may seem unconventional, they reflect Gen Z's adaptability, resourcefulness, and willingness to challenge the status quo. The world is changing rapidly, and the traditional path to financial success is no longer a guarantee. Gen Z understands this, and they're embracing a more fluid and adaptable approach to their careers, finances, and lives.
I don't expect to have a traditional 9-to-5 job for my entire life. I want to have the flexibility to pursue my passions, travel the world, and create a life that's fulfilling on my own terms.
This embrace of flexibility extends to their finances as well. Gen Z is more likely to have multiple income streams, invest in alternative assets, and prioritize experiences over material possessions. The financial landscape may seem daunting, but Gen Z is up for the challenge. They're resourceful, they're resilient, and they're not afraid to rewrite the rules. So to all the Gen Zers out there, keep your heads up and keep hustling. Educate yourselves, explore your options, and don't be afraid to ask for help. The future is yours to create, and with a little bit of grit and determination, you can achieve your financial goals and build a bright future. Remember, you've got this. Thanks for watching. Remember to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more finance videos.